Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I created this super easy look with a bun that took me literally a minute to do. So I'm taking my bun from INH Hair, and I do have a 15% off discount code for you guys for any order on their website, because they also have extensions, bangs, ponytails, wigs of literally every color, anything you could imagine on their website. So I'll put a link down below. So first, I'm making a little bun with my own hair. I like it to be super slick, so I use a little 4-bristle brush. Then I'm dividing my own ponytail in two, wrapping each section around itself and securing it with a hairband. Then I'm taking the bun and placing the little comb at the base of my own bun, putting the bun on, and it's got this really cool elastic on the inside, so you can use that to secure the base. And I'm using my own elastic as an extra one to tie in any loose pieces, but you can make it as sleek or as messy as you like. And that's it. It's literally so easy and simple. It's even easier than putting in the ponytail that I showed you before. It's the fastest tutorial I've ever done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.